Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create scrolling effect on InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to create a video collage. I'm going to select video and then select new, and I'm going to add this blank clip. Okay, and for the canvas, I'm going to change it to portrait, and then we can extend the duration like this, and let me remove the watermark. Okay, done for the watermark, and I'm going to add overlay. I'm going to use video from the InShot material. Okay, like this guys. I'm going to add 3 videos. And then I'm going to add another video, this one. Okay, and I'm going to add the last video. For the last video, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, done guys. And I'm going to save the video. But wait, let me adjust the duration. Okay, and I'm going to export this video, and after that we're going to create new project again. Okay, done, and I'm going to create new project, and we need to add the video collage, and you can add another video collage guys, but for me I'm just going to use the same video just to show you the step. Okay, for this video we're going to add keyframe, add the first keyframe to the first part and the second keyframe to the end part of the video, and then you're going to make the video like this, just move it up. Okay, so it can create this scrolling effect, and we're going to add the second video. I'm just going to use the same video and click on this icon to fit the screen, and you're going to add keyframe to the first part and also the end part. Add 2 keyframe and move it down. Okay, and it will create something like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a scrolling effect using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.